Welcome to the fourth tutorial video about AG-Grid integration in React. If you missed the first three tutorials, please check the channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and that will encourage me to create more videos like this. Now we can just see currently how the program looks like. We have already added some features of the AG-Grid in the React application. We can just check how it looks. Currently it looks like this is the sample program. Currently it have filtering, then quick filter, then pinned columns. The greeting column is pinned. Then we added components, click me component, button component. Then we add many other features like formatting of cells, etc. So I am just showing the code. Okay, currently this is the code. This is the data. We setting the column definitions. These settings we can see it in the previous tutorial videos, how these things are set up. Then the cell renderer, greeting component, the greeting component. This is a component. Hello Henry, hello Diana. Okay, that click me button. Okay, default column parameters, floating filter width. Now we are set the width to 300, so it is so just for showing the pinned column. Then filter buttons, the filter buttons are here, clear and apply. Okay, so the quick filter, then quick filter test. So I think you already familiar about these things. If you are not familiar, please watch the first videos, first and second, third and videos, and you can deeply check how these things are working. Okay, today we are going to currently we are going to check about the pagination. Okay, it is a simple thing, and I will show you how we can add pagination to this. So currently we have very less data, so I am copying this data, increasing this data. So just copying it and pasting it. Okay, currently I think we have enough data. We just checking it in the here. So there is enough data, you can see it. It is all data is loaded in the div. You can increase or decrease the width of the div. If you increase it, you can see it here. Okay, you can see the width of the div is in, and the height of the div is increased, and so this down. Okay, now we are going to add the pagination in it. We are setting mainly three things are setting. Like first we define some pagination variables. Pagination equal to true. We just need to set this pagination equal to true. Then pagination size, pagination page size, we may just paginate by 10. Okay, and then the selector, pagination page selector selectors. So pagination page size selectors, selector equal to we adding a array 10 20, then 30, 50. Okay, now we need to add it here. Pagination equal to there is no necessary to add it in the variable. You can directly add it, but if we need to change anything later in the program activity, we can change it here easily. So I have added it there. Pagination page size, pagination page size, then pagination page size selector, pagination page size selector. Okay, now you can see that the pagination is appeared here. Okay, page size 10, 20, 30, 50. Okay, that is the thing. 10, 20, 30, 50. This thing is displaying there. 1 to 10 of 36, total 36 rows are present. You can see the last page is appeared. Okay, so the pagination is very simple, and we have implemented it. There is many other options in it, like pagination. You can see the list paginate child rows. If you have child rows, we can paginate on it. Pagination auto page size, you can check what it is. Is equal to true. Pagination auto page size. Okay, now you can see that we have 36 rows. It is divided into 4, 5 pages. So what is happening here is that you can see that the scroll bar, vertical scroll bar disappeared. So the rows are adjusted in the 500 px height. So they are reducing the number of rows in the page. So it is reduced to 8. Each page is 8. You can see it. Okay, so it is adjusted the rows based on the height of the page, height of the div parent div. That is the pagination auto page size. So I think you have understand about the pagination. I'm going to check about theming in AG grid. So there is 3 default themes in AG grid. I am going to import 3 of them. The default theme is the theme quads. It is displaying the content, the grid in the theme quads theme. So I am just importing the 3 default themes: theme quads, theme alpine, theme belha. This is in the AG grid community pack. Okay, now we need to add it. Here we need to add that theme. At a time we can use only one theme. Like we first setting it to theme belha. Okay, currently it looks like this. You can see this, and I'm just minimizing this. You can see the theme changes directly when changing the. Okay, I think that's enough. Currently it is default is theme quads theme. Currently I'm changing it to theme belha. I'm just saving it, and you can see what happened there. Okay, now you can see that the rows are more the row space is decreased, and the titles are also changed, the filtering symbol is changed, and many other changes are happened. So using another theme Alpine, just saving it. Now you can see that it is again changed, like the filter symbol is changed, the row height is changed, etc. Now just changing to theme codes. This is the default theme. I'm saving it. You can see that there is a minor changes. There is the filter symbol is changed. Okay, so these are the different themes, different default themes. Okay, now we can use these themes, and we may change the background color, foreground color, etc. using these themes. We have to, for it we need to use a constant my theme is equal to we are using the theme codes. Just for example, any theme we can using theme codes dot with params. Okay, we are just writing it in a new line. Params. We may need to change the background color of this theme. We can change any property. Currently I'm just changing the background color. We are just setting it to gray. Okay, now we need to call this my theme in the theme codes section. Okay, now I'm just saving it. You can see it's applied here. Okay, the background color is changed to gray. Okay, we need to just changing the foreground color to white. Foreground color to white. Okay, just saving it. You can see that this changed. We can do it with any theme, like we can change it to theme Belham. Okay, you can see that many rows are the row heights are changed, the symbols are changed, all things are happened. So we can edit a themes, settings, themes, background color, foreground color, many other things. You can see it here. Just typing any symbol like font family, font size, filter. If you change it to a color, you can see like there is many color accent color, border color, browser color scheme. Okay, many color related items you can see it here. You can try them. Okay, now for the study purpose I only using these two CSS properties, background color and foreground color. Okay, now there is another option like color scheme. You can use it like I am just commenting this. Okay, now the theme is theme Belham. Okay, now there is a coloring schemes, like you can for the default three themes there is no color changes. We may add the color schemes. There is many I think there is 6 color themes currently. Color schemes: dark blue, dark warm, color scheme light cold, light warm. Okay, I am importing the color scheme dark, then color scheme, dark warm, color scheme, dark blue. The light color schemes are similar to the light ones, like we haven't noticed much changes, light changes only to the color, so I am choosing the dark color schemes. Okay, now we can use these dark color schemes with the we can use in another variable called another method called with part color scheme. I am first changing to color scheme dark. Okay, we are using my theme. Okay, just saving it. You can see it, you can see the color is changed, the scheme. Okay, just changing to color scheme dark blue, dark warm, and then saving it. You can see the colors are changed. Then dark blue, change it to dark blue, and you can see the color is again changed. Okay, if you need to change the color scheme dark blue to, and then you need to modify this color schemes, you can use the with params option there too. I am uncommenting this, and we can see what's happening. You can see that the color scheme dark blue, we have applied the background color and foreground color. Okay, and this is the main concept of the theming, and you can change any theme, use anything. There is another option, like you can also use the color scheme mode. There is another schemes in under, like there is another variable like data ag theme mode. There is 3 modes. Currently I am just commenting this, just commenting these things. Okay, you can see that it is back to normal mode with the theme Belham. We can set here a mode like dark. You can see the color theme dark mode is applied directly here. You can set the color dark blue. You can see. So if you need to alter the color by using this method, this is in some places this thing is useful. If these things are not working, like I am not commonly using it, but we can use it directly here. Okay, also we can change there is 3 default theme modes, light, dark and dark blue. Okay, I can set it to light. This is light, this with params is active now. Control S. Okay, light is the default one, light. Dark and dark blue is the noise. Okay, now you can set you can define custom theme modes, like we can name it like gray theme. Okay, another thing, I am creating another thing, copying gray theme, just changing it to red theme, changing it to dark red. Okay, now we may use this gray theme here. Instead of black, we are changing to gray theme. Okay, now you can see that these things are applied to the theme. You can just change it to red theme. Okay, now you can see the red scheme is applied. So this is an alternate method, data AG theme mode. This is applied to the above grid, the in the above div, or above any other body element, or something, any other element that is above that is parent of the AG grid React component. You can set it here. Okay, now there is another we have studied main concepts. There is another way of doing things, like I will show you. There is a customizing the grid with the CSS. There is another option. You can see it in the theming overview. Built-in themes, 3 themes are there. Then theme parameters with the params. I have already displayed spacings and color. I have just used the background color and foreground color. There is many other things. You can check more about it here. Okay, then theme parts are using we have used it with part icon set material. We have used the theme parts for the color schemes. Okay, we have already seen these things. Okay, I am not going to add all these methods to the video. I am just telling about the more useful, or more I am not going to details. Then there is many other things in it. Okay, colors, fonts, boards, selection, headers, icons, migrating, many things you can check. So the basic theme items are completed, and you can see it. There is another thing, like you can set the themes by changing the CSS directly. There is a link for it, theme parts. You can see it here, theming CSS, customizing the grid with CSS, custom CSS rules. You can define custom CSS rules for the themes. You can define it, you can style it like this, creating a animated text gradient. Many other options you can create with the directly by changing the color CSS. Okay, that's it for now. I think you have understand the basic. I think currently you have a good idea about the theming and how it can be used. So if I am now winding up the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.